Okay, well, here's my little Snoopy dog. The vault. This is the material that I'm going to use for the rest of the letters for the sign, which is not much really. There's like 4 letters that I have to do. And I just laid out the sign. This is a 4x8 sheet of plywood, in case you're just wondering. And this is the sign. Let's see if I can zoom out a little bit. So this says Music Hall and Pub, the Vault. And that's the main text for the letters. You can look at the beginning of the posts for the layout of the whole thing. So that's the U that goes in the middle. And this is just a larger version of this. So it's going to look just like this, but that big. And so there's an awning over the building, and these are the sides, the 2 sides of the awning. And this is the main side that's going to go on the front of the building. And this is the front of the awning. It's just like those other 2 over there, Music Hall and Pub. And the centerpiece is going to go right in here. I scribed it so that when I glue it all together, it'll lay out nicely. And this is the main awning sign. And this is the main building sign. It's just like that, where it says the vault. There's going to be the at the top, and then the vault, the VALT. That's the material that I just showed you. So this is the continuation, and we'll carry through the rest of this project. I need to get this finished, get this out of the shop, and be done with it. This is the last big sign that I'm going to do. It's just too much. I don't have time to do this, and it's I'm not good at the deliveries. So this is it. So that's the last. The Thistle Cottage, you'll be seeing that in the video. That was those 2 holes right there. I made 2 of them. And my little helper right there, Snoopy. Say hi to Snoopy. Snoopy, say hi to everybody. Hi, hello everybody. Hello, hello. Okay. So